Dude, have you seen Quick Dick lately? He is so chiseled when he flexes. Bro, yeah, I know. The only way you get that chiseled when you flex is if you're juicing.
Listen, boys, that's how rumors get started, but you are partially right because today we're juicing with the Mandako Chisel Flex. The Chisel Flex is unique because it has multiple flex points so that it can follow the contour of your ground. Floating Hitch and heavy frame tubing made right here in Canada. Put the finish you want on your field with a 4-row adjustable heavy harrow tine. Overhead trips are spec'd at 800 pounds plus. That means when you get into rocks with this thing, it looks like the top of these things are playing whack-a-mole while you're whacking a bunch of moles. This is Quick Dick signing off, reminding you, for a plow with heavy made in Canada specs, you need look no farther than the Mandako Chisel Flex. Catch you next time.
Mandako. Solid design, proven performance.